Suppose you want to track this pole in the video clip, but this pole is going out of the frame. How will you track this pole? And stick any text to it? Because we know that the tracker can't track the object which is not visible in the video clip. Don't worry, this is very simple. You just have to look for another still object in the video. Because when camera moves, both objects have mostly same motion inside the video clip. And another thing to keep in mind is that, both of the objects should be visible at least for few frames. I mean, when the first object is about to leave the frame, the second should already have entered into the frame. So, let's start by tracking the first pole. Add a tracker node and set the tracker on this pole. Then hit Track Forward button. You can see, when this pole left the frame, the tracker has no data to track. Now we just have to find that last good tracking point and delete the remaining bad tracking points. So, open the spline panel, turn on this spline curve from here. Make it bigger. And delete the remaining wrong tracking points. Just select them and press backspace to delete them. So, after deleting it, close the spline panel. Now you should be on the last good tracking point. And you have to change this path center option to track center, append, option. Now drag the tracker onto the second object. And simply track forward. Now if you see the tracker, it will follow the motion of the first object which is not even in this video clip. Now you can add any text or logo as we did in my previous video. It will perfectly follow the first object which went off the screen. Similarly, you can add any logo to it. Please like this video if you learn anything new from this video. See you in another video. Thanks for watching.